boys and girls, welcome back to Calendar today. I brought my friend Tiger with me because he's going to help me, but I don't need him quite yet. So right now I'm going to set him over here and he's going to watch and learn along you guys with Calendar, and I'll need him in a minute, okay? Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So, do you remember what month we're in? October, that's right. October, yesterday was October the 19th. One more than 19 is 20. So I'm going to put 20 up there for today. And if I look up here, it tells me what day of the week it is. Do you know what day of the week it is today? Tuesday. So let me mark right here that it's October the 20th, 2020. And we need to put over here on our days of the week what day of the week it is. And you just told me today is Tuesday. Do you know what yesterday was? Do you remember? Yesterday was Sunday. So if yesterday was Sunday and today is Tuesday, tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let me put that up here. We also need to make sure we add a straw for today. Well, right now it shows 47 straws, which means we've been in school for 47 days. If I add one more, my number is going to be one more than 47. Let's see what that is. Now I have a 4-8, which is 48. We've been in kindergarten for 48 days. All right, boys and girls, I need to mark that over here. So this is the same, because right here on our 10 frames, we're keeping track until we get all the way to 100. Okay, let's look up here for our number of the day. Remember, we're talking about teen numbers. And numbers in the teens always start with a 1, even 11 and 12, which are tricky. Yesterday, our number of the day was 11. Today, our number of the day is 12. 1 and a 2 make 12. So I'm going to put that up here. Do you know what 1 less than 12 is? What number do you say right before you say 12? 11. So 1 less than 12 is 11. So we have 11, 12, and one more is 13. Okay, we need to show 12 a few different ways. We have 12 right here. Now we need to have 12 tallies. Count with me as I write my tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And we need to show 12 on the 10 frame. We already know we're going to fill up this whole top one because that's 10, right? And 12 is more than 10. So there's my 10 for my 10 frame. Do you know how many more I need to get to 12? Well, let's see. So we have 10, right? 11, 12. This is what 12 looks like with 10 frames. The first 10 frame has 10 and the next one has 2. That is what 12 looks like. What do you think 12 would look like on a domino? Well, yesterday we had 6 on one side and 5 on the other for 11. If I put 6 here and 6 here, do you think that will equal 12? Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 6 here and 6 here. Was that 12? It was. 6 plus 6 is 12. All right, let's go on to our our words. We have our 3 sight words we're talking about. Read it as I point to it. It, on, look. Yesterday, you guys learned the word it. Today, you're going to learn the word look. Say that, look. A sentence with the word look might sound like, look at me. Or, look, do you see that bird in the sky? Look, I have on a black shirt with white stripes. Try a sentence today using the word look. I want you to listen and see if you can think of one or if you can hear somebody that says one. All right, let's keep going. Let's do our hickety-pickety word, which is the word look. Hickety-pickety bumblebee. Can you read the word for me? Read it. Look. Now spell it. Look. Now shout it. Look. Now whisper it. Look. Now clap it. Look. Now stomp it. Look. Now cheer it. Look. I sure hope you guys are helping me at home so I'm not just up here looking silly doing this all by myself. I want you up, clapping and cheering and stomping those words right along with me. Okay? All right, let's keep going. We have got our pattern chain. Do you remember what our pattern is? What kind of a pattern do we have? An ABC pattern, right? Do you see it? Yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, green. What comes next? If you said yellow, you're right. Yellow comes next in our pattern. And we call this an ABC pattern because it has 3 different things in it. And in this case, it's a color pattern. It has 3 different colors. Okay, I'm gonna put it back up here. Let's see how long we can get this pattern. We're gonna keep the same pattern for the whole month of October, which if you look, we are almost done with October, aren't we? All right, we have our positional words that we have to talk about. And that means I need Mr. Tiger back over here to help me, okay? Let's look at our chart. We talked about these yesterday and we're gonna read through it again today. Remember, we're talking about the basketball. The chart is showing us where the basketball is, what position it's in. So right here, the basketball is above, below, it goes up, down, in, out, it goes through the chair, or it goes around the chair. The basketball is over the table or under. The basketball is in front of the or behind. We've got the basketball on the swing and the basketball off the swing. And the last one is the basketball's between the feet or beside the feet. So today, friends, we're going to talk about up and down. Can you say that? Up and down. That's where Mr. Tiger is going to help me. He is going to show you what up looks like and what down looks like. So if Mr. Tiger was going to climb up my arm, it would look like this. And if he was going to climb down my arm, it would look like this. Up, down. Okay, I could hold him up and I can hold him down. What do you think it would look like if Mr. Tiger climbed up the calendar? Let's see. Now, he needs to go back down, doesn't he? Ready? All right, boys and girls. Tomorrow, I'm going to come back to you. We're going to do calendar again. We're going to pick a new number. We're going to do a new word. We're going to see what day of the week it is. And we're going to talk about more positional words. All right, boys and girls, I will see you later. Bye.